Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on the XY. What am I expecting on the XY, guys? If you watched my previous analysis, I said I was expecting the XY to push down to my negative 27% fib level, and we did. So I said as long as we are still going to continue to push to the downside, I'm expecting it to at least come down to my 61.8% fib level, which is 104.8, around that area right there, before we now see what next on the XY. So as you can see that we have been currently pushing to the downside, right? So now that we've got into my negative 16.8% fib level, what am I expecting from the XY, right? I'm still expecting somewhat of like a push to the downside, right? We can see if there is an imbalance around this area right here. We can come here and see right here there is a 4 hours imbalance right around this area right here. So I see a possibility of it at least maybe coming there, right, and giving us a touch around that area of that imbalance and coming down a little bit to probably touch the trend line, because this was broken overall. We are still pushing to the upside. We can see this was broken, so there's a possibility for a retest on the trend line, also touch of an imbalance around this area right here. So overall, I'm still expecting the XY to probably push down a little bit, like I said, to give us that touch and to change pattern, maybe come down here to give me like a double bottom, which is also called the blue pattern, right? Something like that, before we now zoom to the upside, which is a reversal pattern. So I'm expecting somewhat of a reversal pattern for us to now continue to push to the upside, because we are currently on a downtrend. So based on this, I think I'm going to delete this one right here. I can address this trend line here just to see what we are looking for. We can see, so now we are currently at a break of retest. Break this trend line, come here to retest. I'm expecting a push to the downside, to be honest, before we now have a possible push to the upside. So based on this analysis right here, I'm just gonna draw something like this, something here to a possible right here. So that would be my my initial target on the XY, before we now know what next. But like I said, overall I still think we might push to the upside, right? So like we all know, you can't predict the market, you react to the market. We might still push down a little bit to possible touch this trend line right here before we now zoom to the upside. But I want to take it one step at a time. Right now I still think we might come to this imbalance right here. There is an imbalance here that we might come to, then we might still come here to touch trend line right here. Because of this, it was broken and hasn't retested yet before we push to the upside. So that's my quick thoughts on the XY, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.